Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. It's been a minute. Apologize for that, but the weather here in the northeastern United States has not been the best. It's been super cold, a lot of snow, and now I think that all that is past, and so now it's time to get back to the routine of making some incredible dishes on the smoker. Today we are making smoked sausage gravy to put over biscuits, so like a little biscuits and gravy action. Love, love, love biscuits and gravy, and the only way you can make something that's so good better is by adding a little bit of smoke to it. So that's what we're gonna do. So let me show you how to make this delicious smoked sausage gravy right now. All right, our first ingredient for our sausage gravy is, breakfast sausage. This is a 1 pound tube of breakfast sausage. So I'm gonna open this up and then it's gonna go right on the smoker, just like that in this form. And like I mentioned, this is gonna go directly onto the smoker. All right, now a few things before I put this on. So we're just smoking the sausage, all right? We're not gonna smoke the rest of the stuff because that would be a little bit overpowering. So we're gonna smoke this sausage for about an hour at 220 degrees. If your smoker doesn't kind of get to 5-degree increments, if you're using a pellet grill like I am, then just set it to 225. Most every electric smoker has that setting. And the reason is because we don't want to actually fully cook the sausage on the smoker. We just want to get it to absorb that natural, delicious wood flavor. Because afterwards, we're going to put it all in a pan and we're going to finally cook it in there. So I'm smoking this sausage today on my Pit Boss Savannah Onyx edition. It is an amazing, amazing pellet grill, one of the best that you can get in my humble opinion. And I'm using the Pit Boss Competition Blend pellets. They are some of the best pellets that you can use that are kind of well-rounded and good with just about anything from briskets to desserts. So once again, about an hour on the smoker, and then we'll be back to finish up this simple yet delicious gravy. All right, so I'm just gonna put it right here in the middle on the upper rack. That's gonna protect it from the direct heat source down there and prevent it from cooking. All right, see you in an hour. All right, it's been an hour. Let's take a look. All right, yeah, nothing super exciting to look at. I did put a pan under here to catch anything that might drip because I didn't know if it would, and it does not look like it did. So now let's take this off. I can tell by the color that it's absorbed a good amount of smoke. So let's take it off and let's make our gravy. All right, so in a kind of a saucepan here, I've added that sausage, and now we're just kind of waiting for it to complete cooking. And once it's done, we will do some other stuff to it. So again, I just literally took that little tube of sausage off, put it right into a pot on like medium heat, and we're just gonna let this go until it's cooked through. I'll tell you what, it smells amazing. You can smell the smokiness. I don't think it's gonna be too smoky, but you can definitely smell it. All right, we are pretty much good to go on this sausage. So now I'm gonna make a little bit of a kind of a well in the middle here. Just push it outward a little bit. And then right into the middle come 3 tablespoons of butter. And I'm gonna let that melt completely. All right, my butter is melted. Next, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of General All-Purpose flour. Now we'll just kind of mix all that together. And we're gonna let this cook for about 2.5 minutes, just until all that raw flour is cooked out. Next, I'm gonna add a few things. First, 3 cups of whole milk, and 3. And then a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. And now we're just gonna stir, and we're gonna let this cook until it thickens. So it's probably gonna be about 5 or 6 minutes or so. And then we're gonna be essentially done and ready to give this a try. Now while this is cooking, you do wanna kind of be stirring constantly. In fact, it's a little easier with a whisk, especially now that all that sausage is kind of broken down. So again, just let this go until it's thick. All right, and this my friends, is what it looks like. Look at that. Woo! Beautiful creamy texture. Oh, this is gonna be great. All right, let's grab some biscuits and plate this up. All right, here we have some beautiful biscuits. And folks, it ain't rocket science. We're making biscuits and gravy, so the only thing left I have to do is put that delicious gravy. Oh, look at that. Yes, I want more. And yes, I want a little more. There you have it. Oh my gosh, look at how good that looks. Wow. Oh man, biscuits and gravy on a whole new level. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the time is upon us. It is time to try this delicious smoked sausage gravy with biscuits. Cannot wait. Here we go. Biscuits are nice and fluffy. Here we go. Smoked biscuits and gravy. It's very, very hot. Here we go. Oh my gosh. The gravy. The smokiness of the sausage. Holy smokes! This is so good. So good. We made enough of that gravy that you could have this, you know, a couple different times. Oh my gosh, it's so good. That gravy is perfectly creamy. Oh my gosh. Over the top, delicious. Man, what an amazing, simple, delicious dish. And very, very cheap to put together. So whether it's for breakfast or for lunch or dinner or a snack or any time you want to make this, you have my permission. Make this because it is delicious. Wait, thank you once again for tuning into the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel, and if you like this video, please click that thumbs up to give us a like, and that will help other people find the content that we make here on the channel. Also, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and turn on the post notifications by clicking the little bell so you'll be one of the first people to know as soon as we post new videos here. And for more delicious outdoor cooking content, check out one of these two videos of some stuff that we've done recently here on the channel. Check those out, make this, and I'll see you next time.